Welcome to step 3, setting up a local host. Today we're going to set up something called XAMPP to let you access a local version of your Joomla site. This will let you edit your site from your PC without needing access to the internet. That's also a good idea if your site is live and you want to experiment, but you don't want to annoy anyone using it while you're experimenting. So in Google, search XAMPP download and go to the Apache Friends link. This is a Windows tutorial, so scroll down to XAMPP for Windows and click that link. Then you want to scroll down again, XAMPP for Windows, and click the .exe download. I'm going to download it to the D drive just to keep the XAMPP system and my site in a separate area to the other programs, but setting it up in your C drive should be no problem. So now you can see that we've downloaded XAMPP, so just double click that, click Run. Again, I'm installing this in the D drive. Next thing, click Install. That will take a while to install, but once XAMPP is installed, follow your nose through the black screens. Add shortcuts, yes. Proceed, yes. Portable XAMPP. I'm just going to go with no because that's the default option. Hit Enter to continue. Enter again. Select 1 to start XAMPP control panel. Then X to just close the black screen. So this is your XAMPP control panel, and let's start Apache and MySQL. And once you have Apache and MySQL running, you'll be able to access localhost anyway. Going into the XAMPP folder, we want to go to htdocs. This is where your sites will be. Let's set up a new folder. This is your site folder, your local site folder. So name that whatever your site is called. And right now this is empty. We're going to install Joomla here. So go to joomla.org and download Joomla. Download the full package and save that somewhere convenient. Once you have downloaded Joomla, just copy that to the folder you created in the htdocs in XAMPP. That's your local site. And then extract it. You can delete that zip folder if you like. Now in your browser we're going to go to localhost and then the name of the folder you created. That's your local site name. And we're going to follow the steps in step 2 and set up Joomla. Select the language, click Next. Pre-installation check, click Next. GNU licensing, click Next. Database configuration settings. So your host name is localhost, username is root, and your database name is the name of the folder you set up. Currently you don't need to use a password, so just click Next. Next again, and then we're at the final setup page, configuration page, so enter your site name, your email, your admin password. Don't forget your admin password. You need this password to log into the Joomla administration. Click Next, and if you haven't installed the sample data, click OK. And then we're set up. We just have to remove the installation directory. So go back to that folder, installation, delete that. And let's look at the site. Okay, it's all set up. And let's compare that to the site we set up in step 2. So you'll notice that the one on the left is the local host. This is the one you're running through the XAMPP we set up. And the one on the right is the www. That's the Internet Live site. And you can see these are both the same anyway. See the next video, step 4, where we will add content and customize your website from the Joomla administration area.